Welcome to Cloud Expert Audiobooks. In this session, we'll be talking about Azure API Management. Let's understand what is Azure API Management. Azure API Management acts as a gateway between your web APIs and the public Internet. These APIs will be published on the public Internet, but only partner applications should be able to use them. Your company and your partners want to minimize the costs of integration, and your developer teams want to focus on the business logic, not secondary concerns such as authorization. Let's understand how to create an API gateway. To set up API management, 1. Create an API management gateway. The name you use for the gateway must be globally unique within the Azure-API.net namespace. 2. Register an existing web API with the gateway. Registering the API makes the API available to consumers at the Azure-API.net endpoint. 3. Call the existing API through the gateway. Consumers can now use the API at the endpoint URL, or through the developer portal. Let's understand what is Azure API Management. The Azure API Management Service is hosted in the Azure Cloud and is positioned between your APIs and the Internet. An Azure API Gateway is an instance of the Azure API Management Service. When you publish your APIs, you use the Azure portal to control how particular APIs are exposed to consumers. You might want some APIs to be freely available to developers, for demo purposes, and access to other APIs to be tightly controlled. Why use API management? For developers, API management provides a range of benefits. Health monitoring. APIs are consumed by remote clients, so it can be difficult to identify potential problems or errors. API management lets you view error responses and log files, and filter by types of responses. Modern formats like JSON, APIs have used many different data exchange formats over the years from XML to CSV and many more. API management enables you to expose these formats using modern data models like JSON. Connections to any API. In many businesses, APIs are located across different countries and use different formats. API management lets you add all of these disparate APIs into a single modern interface. Analytics. As you develop your APIs, it's useful to see how often your APIs are being called and by which types of systems. API management allows you to visualize this data within the Azure portal. Security. Security is paramount when dealing with system data. Unauthorized breaches can cost companies money, time lost in reworking code, and reputational loss. Security tools that you can use with Azure API Management include OAuth 2.0 user authorization and integration with Azure Active Directory. Let's understand pricing tiers. When you create an Azure API Management Gateway, you must select from one of several pricing tiers. Developer. You use the developer tier for evaluating the API management service. You shouldn't use this tier for production deployments. Basic. Entry-level production use. 99.9% SLA. 1000 requests, sec. 2 scale units. A scale unit enables you to scale up a service. The more scale units you have, the more you can scale up the service. Standard. Medium-level production use. 99.9% SLA. 2500 requests, sec. 4 scale units. Premium. Multi-region deployment. High-volume use. 99.95% SLA. 4000 requests, sec. 10 scale units per region. Consumption. The serverless consumption tier plan lets you pay for what you use, rather than having dedicated resources. Great. Now you learned about Azure API Management. Hope you enjoyed it. For more audiobooks, please download our Cloud Expert app from Google Play Store and subscribe. Hey! Don't forget to rate our app and share it with your friends. Have a nice day.